Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into a steam cleaning showdown, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop versus the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk price. The Power Steamer is priced at $175, while the SpinWave is a bit lighter on the wallet at $159. Reviewers appreciate the SpinWave for being a budget-friendly option while still providing great cleaning performance. If you're looking to save some cash, the SpinWave is your best bet. Now, let's discuss versatility. The Power Steamer is a 3-in-1 powerhouse, transforming into an upright, an extended reach cleaner, and a handheld steamer. Reviewers have praised its effectiveness in tackling tough stains, making it a versatile choice for various cleaning tasks. In contrast, the SpinWave is praised for its LED display and ease of use, but it lacks the same level of versatility since it cannot convert into a handheld device. If you need a multifunctional cleaner, the Power Steamer takes the lead. Let's get down to cleaning power. The Power Steamer unleashes high-temperature steam that blasts away dirt and grime, earning it rave reviews for its ability to handle tough cleaning jobs. However, some users have noted that it can be heavy and cumbersome over time. The SpinWave, on the other hand, offers fingertip control with 2 steam levels, allowing for customizable cleaning. Reviewers have found it effective on various surfaces, especially on older flooring, making it a strong contender in this category as well. When it comes to accessories, the Power Steamer comes with a whopping 29 accessories, making it a cleaning enthusiast's dream. Reviewers love the variety, but have mentioned that some tools wear down quicker than expected. The SpinWave, however, features washable microfiber pads, making it easy to maintain and environmentally friendly. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of being able to clean the pads, but it doesn't quite match the extensive accessory list of the Power Steamer. Convenience is key. The SpinWave has a removable water tank that makes filling it up a breeze, earning high marks from users for its ease of use. Reviewers have noted how quickly it can clean floors, leaving them spotless in minutes. The Power Steamer has a wall mount for easy storage, which reviewers find helpful for organization. Both mops excel in convenience, but the SpinWave edges ahead with its user-friendly design. Overall, the reviews for the BISSELL Power Steamer highlight its effectiveness and versatility, especially for tough cleaning jobs, although some users find it heavy. The SpinWave receives praise for its ease of use, quick cleaning capabilities, and customizable steam settings, making it a favorite for those with larger spaces. So who wins this epic steam mop showdown? If you're looking for versatility and a cleaning powerhouse, the Power Steamer is your go-to. But if you prefer a tech-savvy, convenient option that's easy on the wallet, the SpinWave is calling your name. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.